have a lot of these squash. These are the crookneck winter squash, neck pumpkin, and I wanted to tell you how to know when they're ready. So they start to turn a little bit darker color, and I have one in here that's just about ready. It's hard for me to get in there, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so that one right there is really close to being done, so I'm gonna try to get in there and see. And what you do is you just stick your fingernail into the side of it, and if it punctures it, then it's not ready. But see, this one, it's barely taking a puncture. So this, I could go ahead and take that one. That one's pretty much ready. Let's show you an example of one that's not ready. You can see it's kind of lighter in color. I'm gonna go ahead and do the fingernail test. Alright, so you're able to make more of a mark with your fingernail, and that's kind of how you know. But mostly the color as well. It's hot. It's good to use snips for this so that you can keep your clean cut on it. Oops, didn't film that very well, sorry. So that this part can stay on and you can preserve this for the winter. So that's a big one. There's another one in here. This is one plant, by the way. So we're gonna go ahead and take that one too. What's that one? Oh, no, just did the fingernail test. This one is not ready. See, I did my fingernail in it and it's putting out liquid. So it is not ready. So I'm not gonna take that one. But there are some more hiding over here. Check this one. I wish my camera would autofocus on video, but I haven't been able to figure that out. Okay, this one's little, but it might be done. Yeah, that one's done. So we're gonna go ahead and take that one as well. And probably one from the other side as well. I'm trying to look for this. There was a butternut squash in here that was ready somewhere. Oh, it's this little one. Oh, it's a little stunted, but it's ready, so we're gonna take it. Little butternut. I'll harvest a few more of these big ones. Alright, so I thought I'd get a little shot of what I got today. And it's 5:30 in Louisiana and 95 degrees, so welcome to the South. So here's the biggest one that I got today of the Pennsylvania Dutch crookneck squash, pumpkin squash. Also called neck pumpkin. Prolific plant, delicious, just like butternut squash to me. This part is more like a pumpkin, and then this is hard, firm, like a butternut. These kept all winter. I just ate my last one last month. So they kept almost more than a year in the bottom drawer of my kitchen. So there we go. These are awesome. Highly recommend them. Alright, I'm sweating to death, so it's time to go in. And dinner's already made though, so. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care.
Hey Mom!
Grow food, not lawns. Okay, just one more thing. And that is this wild volunteer tomato that has grown up and then grown past its cage, and it's starting to come down. I'm gonna stop putting these in my compost after, but because they just keep coming up everywhere and they are unstoppable. But this is definitely a good, if you like cherry tomatoes, which I do, but I get sick of these because I cannot keep up with them. There are so many. And this again is just a volunteer. So look at this thing. This is one tomato plant. This is a grape, cherry, yellow grape tomato. from Baker Creek. Amazing. So, so, so yummy. So you might want to check it out if you like tomatoes. They're good, but I wish my red tomatoes did better because I prefer them, but this will work. This will tide me over. Just can't believe how big it is. It's even like shading out my zinnias in here.